I'm longing for the land where the coast road runs, for the sound of singing water and the scent of the ones, where the lone curlew whistles to the wee hill sheep, and down upon the low road the stone chats cheap. Oh, there's amethyst and emerald and sapphire on the sea, and there's foam like snowy drifts where the great waves be. And every night I'm dreaming and I'm seeing in my dream the green and golden water where the white rocks gleam. The night is over Holywood, but I'm not in bed. I'm out upon the road from Larne to Ballygally head. My heart lifting in my breast as round the turn I gaze, and see the road go running north beneath the green braes. The streams